Hello, so Samsung is telling me use a 2-pole 40-amp breaker for their electric range. Their product sheet says this thing pulls 53 amps. Why does it only require a 40-amp breaker? Is it because it is 40 amps each leg?
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. Did someone at Samsung specify that to you? In order for me to know, I have to get the make and model number to see the specs, etc. Never seen a range with a 53 amp pull, that is extremely high, except in a commercial restaurant. Let me know and I can look it up to verify the need.
I know, they are making me pull out my hair. The model is NE595 Robes or Home Depot spec says amps is 53. No one at Samsung can tell me what size breaker to use. I looked online and Miss Samsung says to use a 40 amp breaker. The specs online for this model only talk about using a 40 amp rated cord but doesn't say anything about a breaker screen.
I understand, give me a few minutes and find everything out and post back. Okay, they have these ranges in different sizes. So, you need to find the label on yours, usually inside the door area, and read the label. Find the number in the area marked KW, then I can determine the correct size. The manual states, our range cord rated at 40 amps with 125-250 minimum volt range is required. A 50 amp range cord is not recommended, but if used, it should be marked for use with nominal 13/8 diameter connection openings. So, based the manufacturer's guidelines, it is a 40 amp, but let's double check with the KW number.
I didn't see one. But will this help? It is linked to https://www.homedepot.com/p/Samsung 592-foot electric range with self-cleaning convection oven in stainless steel NE595 R0 ABSR/2036730095.
Okay, you will get a kick out of this one. Not the first time I have seen it either. Here is the problem. Home Depot's web team. It's a typo, it should not read 53, but should read 35 amps. It is 8,500 watts, and that is equal to 35 amps. 8,500 to 40 equals 35.416 amps, so, go with the 40 and all is well.
OMG, I'm impressed. Nice work man. I thought that was the weirdest thing ever. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.